post-nuptial agreement, also known as a post-marital agreement, is a legal contract that is entered into by a married couple after they have tied the knot. These agreements can be just as legally binding as prenuptial agreements and can provide a sense of security and financial protection for both parties in the event of a divorce. One of the main reasons why couples may consider a post-nuptial agreement is to address financial issues that have arisen since the wedding. For example, if one spouse has recently inherited a large sum of money, or if the couple has recently started a business together, a post-nuptial agreement can help to clearly define how these assets will be divided in the event of a divorce. Additionally, post-nuptial agreements can also be used to establish guidelines for how the couple will handle future financial disagreements. In order for a post-nuptial agreement to be legally binding, it must meet certain requirements. In England and Wales, a court would consider any properly drafted post-nuptial agreement as one of the circumstances of the case. However, this means that the court is not bound by the terms of the agreement, but will take it into consideration. In order to ensure that a court will consider a post-nuptial agreement upon divorce, the following requirements must be met. There must be full and frank financial disclosure between the parties of all assets and income, and a schedule appended to the agreement. Both parties must take independent legal advice. The agreement must not be clearly unfair to either party. The agreement cannot exclude a party from paying maintenance for any children in the future. There should be provision for regular reviews or at any important life change, such as the birth or adoption of a child. It is important to note that post-nuptial agreements are not a guarantee that a divorce will be settled in a certain way. It is ultimately up to the court to decide how the assets and income will be divided in the event of a divorce. However, post-nuptial agreements can provide a sense of security and financial protection for both parties, and they can also help to reduce the stress and emotional turmoil of a divorce by providing clear guidelines for how the couple's assets and income will be divided. If you and your spouse are considering a post-nuptial agreement, it is important to seek the advice of a qualified legal advisor who can help you to understand the legal requirements and ensure that the agreement is properly prepared. Get in touch with one of our experienced family lawyers so that we can guide you through the process and provide the peace of mind that you are looking for.